In this video, I'll show you the quickest and easiest way of multiplying column A with a number. Let's get to it. Casper from Spreadsheeto here, and the first step of multiplying a column with a number is to write an actual number that you want to multiply the column with, and that could be 1.5. Now the second step is to copy the cell and select all the numbers that you want to multiply that number with. In this case, it's these numbers over here. If you're ready for step number 3, please hit the subscribe button below. So step number 3 is simply to right click on the selected cells, go to paste special, hit multiply and hit OK. Now all the numbers in column A have been multiplied with the number in C2. That was pretty easy, wasn't it? If you want to learn more copy paste tricks, watch this video over here. But if you're really ambitious, go to my website, spreadsheeto.com/YouTube, and enroll in my 30-minute online course that's totally free and sent directly to your inbox. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.